My name is Mercy, and I was born with HIV. Growing up, I didn't just carry my own stigma, I also carried the fears that my family held onto from the past, when HIV meant something really different. I had to learn how to carve out my own story, to realise that things could be different for me, because we have treatment that just didn't exist back then. Learning that undetectable equals untransmittable really changed things. It means that I don't have to worry about passing HIV on through sex or to my baby.
Made challenging conversations much easier, didn't it?
Yeah, it was a way to reassure everyone. HIV has changed. It's not like it was before.
Felt like a superpower because people had all these ideas, but you knew what the truth was at that point.
It felt liberating, like I didn't have to have a life ruled by stigma and fear of what others would think. Knowing that I could live the life that I'd always imagined as a child. I get to shape my own future, and the future my child grows up in.